up and down with your big dirty red teeth them on the road. And you something in your car in your mouth like you give a job. You hiring people.
What is God?
You move like you hire people.
TV, they palm me mine. Can't complain, experience divine. Real king to the throne and a little boy thing. Yeah, nah boss, no man, cause him have him own sitting. Ambitious man, always have a plan. Cause him understand she's a real woman. Carry a real go get it in any way that no baby go get the cheddar. Similar TV, yeah. Similar TV, yeah. Similar.
Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. I hope you're having a blessed day today, and remember to put God first in everything that you do. Give him the driving seat of your life. So right now guys, Dwayne is inside the UPS and the line is extra long, so I came out here to wait. Come and foot them tired, me tired. But anyway, me in the car here, I'm gonna find a candy here. I'm gonna go and suck pan, and then I decide, say, you know what, me gonna do a prank on him. So me I wait for him for come, and then me gonna eat the candy and go on with a bag of thing. So wanna stay tuned for that. And if you're watching this and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell so you could be notified whenever we drop a video. And remember, our other channel guys, which is Carrie and Dwayne, please subscribe to it, please and thank you, because that's gonna be our backup page for this channel. Stay tuned guys. In my come okay, I can get this up in the meal bag. Guys, you can see through the post office, guys. It look like say you can get the key. Never come to the post office on the holidays. Guys, him get the package. He might come now. It is crazy inside of the thing.
Yo! Okay, I get brick right now. Look here, I get brick. You know, cool. So I make up, hey, you're Ratchet. Oh, yo, you can't rub the candy on your mouth, so. But me I say you can't rub the candy on your mouth, so. On your teeth, them, a matter of fact. Put on your seatbelt. I don't know where y'all behave so far, Don't know where y'all behave so far. Yeah, man, wind it up in your mouth. Wind it up in your mouth. No stop wind it up in your mouth. Because if you did a deal with, if you deal with, say it not so bad. Wind it up in your mouth, man. Practice to become perfect, yeah. Wind up something in your mouth like you don't have no blasted sense. Can you stop do that right, son of and stop? What wrong with you? Humble yourself, man.
Yeah, you notice you doing it?
Kerry, that is very. I saw look while you see how you stay. I saw look while me I save you from your blasted embarrassment, and you saw you go on. Me I save you from the blasted embarrassment for you walk up and down with your big dirty red TM on the road. And you something in your car in your mouth like you give a job. You hiring people.
What is that?
You move like you hire people. Just humble yourself, man. I say look while me I talk to you, don't listen. You want humble yourself, Kerry. Stop act out.
Doing you see you doing eh? You always want for control. You're a control freak.
Alright. Shoot the candy down in your throat then.
And that is why I come out of the post office, you know. Because me in there, I listen to my music and you come in
Kerry,
there.
I save you from the embarrassment.
And you save yourself from the embarrassment.
Every day I tell you the same thing.
Do you know I'm not a kid, you know?
Kerry, so me ask you something. It's appropriate for you in the post office. I listen to your loud music.
I wasn't listening to something and you're too enough. The body never
no,
turned
but me I
around
say,
and
yeah,
look at me.
but me I say, you
I see a thing now you come in the car, you always see what me I do. Me never yet see nothing what you do yet.
Because
but
you're blind. You blind, me no blind. Me no blind. Where you fear deal with and I should be in your throat corner and I should down in your throat and I should be take and should be down in your throat. There so I be aggish and crab it with the candy.
So I must have throw it down in my throat.
Anything where people should down in them throat.
What?
Because you should be all in your mouth corner like a pro. Kerry, that's disgusting. Be act like a woman. Be act like bring yourself like a woman. No, you go in a place and the whole of your teeth red. Act like a woman, you talk to people at the first appearance and see your teeth. A 3-year-old guy road with them teeth red.
Is my lip my want to be red, not my teeth.
So Kerry, if you want your lip for red, much red lipstick or cheap red lipstick, then you go buy red lipstick, Kerry, and get your lip them red. You want to act certain way around me, I want to in a bed you have to act like a chur. Yeah.
Me disrespect you doing.
No, this me.
I will disrespect
yeah, this me. Because of people who Ratchet and Bass and music want so. And red up them lip and red up them tongue and look that disgusting. Be humble yourself, man.
You want me for ask in my bed? Equal
if me the want you ask, I would have beg it every day. And you'd have to forgive me because I would have find somewhere where forget it.
So me say equal rights and
justice. Equal rights and justice, your backside. You see me I take nothing and shove down in my throat. And you alone a practice.
Me a practice?
This is what you do. Yo, come me ready for God the place and see me get the package from the girl. You see me? And left but yeah, is it you buy it off the candy off of the sticker or something? Yeah, man.
You want to
and that and you said yeah.
And from me I buy a car.
What?
Anything going on my mouth every bite.
But you never did that bite, yeah.
What?
So you can't try buy it off something when me want to put down there.
And tough stuff.
Yeah. I can swallow it.
And swallow it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anything going on my mouth, yeah. I get tough.
Yeah. So we all look for. Yeah. So we can flat the camera. So we can flat the camera right so. You always choose to come up with some nonsense, B. You're going to let me walk a big head. Me walk a big head. You're going to go to get your throat. Yeah, my ass. That make it worse. Mister, me never see you carry your ram too much B and you have things to go do in the side there and waste time. And make sure you have the receipt, B.
Yeah, I have part of the receipt.
Never, yo, carry your RAM too much, man.
Guys, big up on yourself.